Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak how to speak so that people want to listen. Yes, I want to know it. The most powerful tool in the world is our voice. How to use it so that people will listen to you. Don't do the don't do. Don't gossip. Speaking ill of somebody who is not present, because it will return so they speak badly about you. Then judging. It is hard to listen to somebody who judges because you know he will judge also you. Negativity or complaining or negativity. You can fall into it. It is hard to listen. The next point is complaining. Makes sense. Then excuses or blame others for your own mistakes. It is hard to listen. Then a word I never have used in my life. Maybe I cannot pronounce it directly. Penultimate. This means embroidery and exaggeration. This I do a lot. Okay. Ultimate exaggeration becomes lying. Who likes people who lie to you? Dogmatism. The confusion of facts with opinions. You know somebody is bombarding you with their opinions as if they were true. It's hard to stand for me, no? How to talk so that people like to hear. There are 4 important cornerstones for our speech. We call it hail. It's clear that you greet and acclaim enthusiastically. Okay. Honesty is clear and straight about what you say. Yes. Authenticity is just being yourself, standing in your own truth. Integrity is your word, or do what you say, being somebody can trust. Love, wishing people well for 2 reasons. If you love, you don't judge that person and you don't hurt that person for no reason or with your honest opinion. Okay, how to use your voice. So, people who have sang and make music knows it already. Register. You don't speak out of your throat, throat. Oh, nose. At least you speak out of your chest. I think out of your belly is the best or even deeper. So I speak out of my belly because we evaluate the depth with power. For instance, if you speak out of your throat, you do have anxiety. As I see it, I hear it, I see it from the musician who's singing. It is awful. Okay. Timbre, it is the way your voice feels. We appreciate voices that are rich, smooth, and warm. Okay, the next point is prosody. This is a sing-song, the meta language. That you don't sound monotone, that you feel what you say and charge the word with the right emotions. And that is for singing so important, and also for a good speech. Without emotion, you cannot sing. You cannot sing a monotone. Nobody is hearing to it. So you have to feel what you say, every word. Then you become the best singer. No? Pace. Don't speak too fast. Slow down to emphasize what you mean and use breaks or pauses in your speech so that people have time to understand you. So I speak a little bit too fast. Okay. Then comes pitch. That you change your pitch in regard to what you say. For instance, question at the end with a higher pitch. Doesn't sound. Question at the end with a higher pitch. Are you understand me? Okay. Use the correct volume. Get excited by using more volume. And getting very quiet so that they pay more attention. Before a speech, warm up your voice. 6 warm-up exercises. Stand up, arms up, deep breath in and side out with a ah. And lower your arms again. Ah. Warm up your lips. Speak ba, 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 ba. And then brrr, brrr, with closed lips. Brrr. And if you want to stop the horses, brrr. Tongue exercise, mouth wide open and with the exaggerated la, 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 la. Okay. This I never can, okay. I try my best. Roll on R. R, R, R. Also I cannot roll the R, okay. It is here, okay. Sorry, I've grown up in Rhineland and then you speak very soft, okay. Pitch your start with your highest pitch and go down to your lowest pitch and again up. So that you're getting a wider range of your voice. And in singing it is very important, at least 2 octaves you should do. Okay, I try it here again. We start with the highest pitch. Okay. Okay, have your fun with these exercises. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.